Ben here from Bathrooms once again. We're here on a new strip out, a new job. We're in Camira. So if you have a look at this bathroom, you can see it's a pokey bathroom. You've got a wall that just closes the room up. Your shower's tucked in there, your bath's there. It's just a pokey little bathroom, and you'd struggle to get two people in here comfortably. So, you know, have a think. What do you think you would do? What would you do in this space to create more space but still have a bath, a shower and a basement? Well, let me tell you what we're going to do. Alright, so what we're going to do, obviously we're going to rip all these walls out. We're going to renew the sheeting and we're going to retile all the walls. The layout, we're going to have a freestanding bath just under the window there. The spout coming out the middle, nice effect, but you wait to the end of this job when you see what this bath's going to look like. It's amazing, but we'll keep that to the end. But anyway, you're going to have your freestanding bath there. We're going to have a strip drain through the middle, and here is not going to be the shower anymore. We're going to put the basin in there. And where this wall is that was blocking all the light, that's now just going to be a glass panel out to here. So you're going to be showering in here. Nice big open shower. The shower head will be on the wall there, and you just have a nice shower here in this big open shower. So basically it's going to have a big shower with a bath in it. That's basically what we're going to create here. But you've got this nice big open shower, you've got your vanity there, it's going to have LED lights. When this is finished, you're going to be amazed. This is what we've done. Have a look at this. Hey, is this amazing? Do you believe that this is the same bathroom? Well, it is. Remember that wall that was here? It's no longer a wall, it's a piece of glass. You can see straight through. The room looks so much bigger. And now the shower that was there behind that paving wall is now here. I'm standing in the shower. Look at this. You can fit 4 people in here. And the bath. Beautiful bath that's been vinyl wrapped. And this is just beautiful. Have a look at this. You wouldn't believe that this was that same bathroom, that pokey little bathroom that you'd struggle to fit 2 people in. Now you can fit a family of 5 in here all at once. So just have a look, enjoy. We can do this for you. I'll leave it with you.